What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zap. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today is Wednesday the 20th. I made about $229.68 on the day. It's about 2.31%. It could have been a really nice day. I got a little panicked in the morning and I sold everything a bit too early, but overall the day was nice. I stopped early on the day because last Wednesday I did lose a little bit of money, so I wanted to play it safe today, and I wanted to secure my profits early in the day just so I could go back to my work. By the time this video will go live, it will be around 4 or 5 in the afternoon. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below what you guys think of my daily uploads like this, and we will just jump right into it. We will get started. Okay, so let me switch my screen over here. Let's talk about the pre-market stuff, right? Like every single video we talk about pre-market on the 5-minute chart, right? We open the day pre-market 5-minute chart. That's what I was looking for. Looks like a slow bleed on the pre-market, and this was the area of interest for me right here. You see this area, because yesterday in around 10:45, 12:15, and 1 o'clock yesterday on Tuesday, the price bounced up multiple times, right? So this was a 1, 2, 3 times there was a bounce on this price. So clearly it's an important price level. We're looking at SPY. The price point is 473.64. Okay, 473.64 was the price that I was thinking, you know what, it can potentially bounce again from here, and I wanted to make sure that I was ready when that happens. All right, so fast forward to the pre-market this morning. You know, right now, assume that none of these candles are here. The market's still open. It's 12:05 right now. This video is gonna get posted around 4 or 5. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so fast forward to the pre-market. We look at this. We can see a slowly bleeding down into this zone where the price bounced multiple times in the past, right? So this is a good support area, right? I drew my support line. I drew my box that says, okay, this is the zone where the price was pushing up. You can call this a demand zone, okay? So it came into the zone, and we want to make sure the color is green. We want to make sure, and it slowly bled through the zone, and after a push up on the 2-minute chart, you can see when I see this candle, I was like, you know what, this is gonna go up. All right, so I went in calls. About right over here, because I saw a long wick at the top and I saw that this is gonna go up. Now, something to keep in mind, there was a resistance zone on the pre-market around 474.18, right? And I drew one resistance line 474.18, and then one resistance line at 474.14, and then I just connected those lines and drew like a small boxed area that could be a potential for reversal, right? So the first scenario that was going through my head is when we get to this zone, you know, the stock can actually come right back down into the zone and then bounce back up. Okay, so I did take my profits, I think about 5 to 6 to 7%. I did take my profits right around this area. Okay, so I went in here and I took my profits right here. All right, the reason for me to take the profits was I was getting nervous that we might see some red, you know, because in the moment you don't know, right? You don't know what's happening in the moment, so you might see some red there and it could potentially go down. But it broke this zone. It broke this zone right over here, and once it break and a close above this, you best believe that our next stop was this particular zone, which came from yesterday's double top. Okay, And the way I made the zone was yesterday, the price got rejected here 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times, right? 4 times the price got rejected here. So I wanted to make sure that my next, if I go into calls after this, the middle box, if I go into calls, my next zone is going to be the top box, right? So that's 474.18 to 474. That's about a 20-point jump. And you can say, depending on how you go, and that's another, 10 to 15% profit in the moment. All right. So I went into calls over here, secured my profit. And this is when I was done trading on the day. Another good move happened right here. The break of this zone, the retest of this zone on this red candle at 944, and you see it go higher, higher, higher. Today was one of those days where had I stayed in my position for a long period of time, I would have made a lot of money. But according to my rule book, unfortunately, everything right now is auto sell at 7-8%. Okay, so that's what I was able to get out of today's market. My target on the day was $100. I made 200, double that. So I do have a lot of buying power left, but if I make money, I stop on the day. I go on with my day. All right, that was my focus. That's all I had to be doing, and that kind of was my thought process to be making my money today. Okay, very nice and clean moves. Very nice and clean moves. Break and retest here, break and retest here, up, up. If you didn't want to play this bounce, you could have gone and break and retest over here. You could have gone and break and retest over here. Okay, so that's 2 more moves if you didn't want to play the bounce. Okay, but this trade down here was a little bit more risky because it could have came right back down. But once it broke the downtrend, once it broke this downtrend, that's when you can say to yourself, all right, downtrend is broken. It's into a demand box. It's bouncing up. You can go into calls. All right. So, like I said, today's video is going to be nice and short, nothing too crazy. And that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Have a great week. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I will probably end up making a video about it. If you have any psychology questions, trading psychology, how to manage stop losses, how to manage take profit, how to survive the market, what to do when things are not going your way, all that fun stuff, let me know down in the comment section below. A lot of the videos are on the way. I already have scheduled some videos for the month of December and January, and there's a lot coming our way. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Have a great week. Have a great day. If I don't see you and you're just stopping by, have a great New Year's. Until next time, bye bye.